Are risky orders quietly draining your revenue? Every fake or high-risk order leads to chargebacks, wasted time, and lost money. With risk scoring, you can automatically detect suspicious orders. You assign risk scores based on customer location, order payment method, order email patterns, and cart value. If an order crosses your defined risk threshold, it gets automatically rejected. Stop losing money to risky orders. Here's how to automatically detect and block them quickly. Like, the first order placed, risk checks are performed, and risk decisions are made like high or medium. Based on the risk level, the order is either approved if it is low or medium, or rejected if it is high. Let's see how to configure the settings using Fraud Prevention plugin. First, make sure the Fraud Prevention plugin is activated on your store. Once that's done, go to the blacklist settings from the header menu to configure the settings. Here, enable this option. In address type, select first option or as needed. Make sure this automatic blacklisting option is selected to allow the system to automatically block suspicious users. You can also define what to block with the different other settings like email patterns, first name or last name, and other custom inputs options. These will be blocked directly at checkout if the conditions are met. Next, go to the rule settings. This is where you assign risk weights based on different conditions. For example, first order, the weight is 5. If this is the first order of the customer, weight is 20. Same way you can configure other rules weight as well based on your actual needs. Like if the international order, the weight is 40. If unknown origin, set the weight to 20. High-risk country, set the rule weight 40. In this demo, Canada is added as a high-risk country. You can also define rules like high order value adds additional risk score. Set these rules based on your business needs. I have also set one rule weight like order exceeds maximum to 2,000. The rule weight is 20. Hope this rule weight system is clear. Now, let's move to the General Settings tab from here. In the General Settings section, make sure Fraud Score Check button is enabled and the Before Payment Checking toggle is disabled, so the orders can be evaluated after placement. Then configure order status based on the risk score. Like, set the order cancel if the score is above 85. It means once the order placed and rule weight code is above 85, it will auto-cancel the order. Second, order on hold if the score above 75. You also need to define high-risk thresholds. Like 50 means medium risk and 75 plus consider as high-risk orders. Now, let's test it on the front side. I am adding product to the cart. Now go to the checkout. On the checkout page, I am adding the right billing and shipping information here, like you can see country and state is normal selected. Let me place an order now. The order has been successfully placed. Let's go to order list in admin area. Here you can see the risk status to yellow mean medium. Let me edit to check which are the risk point that listed in the risk scorecard. Here you can see they considers first order, international order, and order higher than 2 times average order. So here admin process for the order based on the risk. Now let's again follow the same process to add product to the cart. Go to the checkout page. On the checkout page now, I will change the details from the high risk. Like I am selecting the country to Canada here. Based on that, I am adding some other billing details to process for the order. I am also changing the order email, so it will consider as first order email on scorecard. After selecting the CAPTCHA, let's now place an order. The order is placed successfully with order ID 929. Now, let's go to the admin order list. Here you can see the risk status is red, which means high risk. Also, you can see that the order status is canceled automatically. We need to edit this order to view the fraud risk score details. And in the details, you're able to see that first order with billing details, international order. Different orders come from a risk country, Canada, which is considered high risk here. I hope you understand how to configure risk scores and rules now. And that's it. To see more related videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon here. Let's know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video.